So a Vasi who will think, gur few do nuji. Remember few. Worthwhile. Okay, so gur few do nuji. So it's worthwhile for him or for her. Dinamar hasa.
The person you are.
A person marhasa. Like you. A person like you. A ostu. You know what a fosti means? Fostu. You hear this is a good word to know if you listen to news stuff because it's every other thing on the news is about this. Fostu is to employ. So the ostiha is unemployed. And so you always hear people talking about loss of jobs, people employed, not employed. Okay, so live on the pay they pay you, literally. If it's possible for you, someone to find who will think that it's worth his or her while, someone like you to employ. Okay, nice. I guess he wanted more information, so he got it. If we're in the Ribard.
Yarig column August Dari Shega Thavan.
Yarig column. Yarig is a verb, but it comes from a color. Jarig.
Red.
Yeah.
I guess he saw red.
Yeah, he read. He got red. It could mean to blush or to just turn red. In this case, not from embarrassment. In this case, Jairi Shegatoben. Got up suddenly. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Iwraja Kachling.
Near Honig me on show, leve maslaha.
Masliha. Yeah.
Maslaha.
So near Honig Man Show.
I didn't come here.
Leve Maslaha. To be insulted. Yeah, if you want to find a book on Irish insults, you look for Mosley, right? Okay. Yeah, I think there's one, Geall-Cuid, Masla, or something like that. There's 500 Irish insult book somewhere. Okay. Hainjag, Rupert. So, Hanig tu chun machorla lorig.
You came here for my advice.
Yeah, a lorig is to seek my advice.
Seek my advice.
Look for my advice, seek in this case. Doye Kachling.
Tashin Jainta Agam.
Tashin Jain
I'm
Tagam.
finished with you.
Tashin Jain Tagam, actually no. Tashin Jain Tagam.
That's done.
I've done that. Jain Ta, done. Literally, that is done in me. I have that done. I have done that. Twijeg, Ribard.
Glachan thu le is gear gamethu e mar the plante arish.
Okay, Maglakan Tule. Maglakan, anyone know what Glock means? Glock is to take or to accept. So and ma means if. So Maglakan Tule, if you take it, meaning the advice. Maglakan Tule. Is Gar Gometu Imar Dachan Sharish. Gyar means soon or short is short.
You will be feeling better.
At the top of your health, Imar Dachlansha. Imar Dachlansha. Okay? Kaharjay Kachling.
Neelam kun glaka lay.
Neelam hun glaka lay. I won't take it, yeah. I'm not going to take it. Okay? Quijeg, Rivard.
Push column love the pocket.
Put a hand in his pocket. A hand in his pocket, actually. Shejeg Kachling.
Kata lahiok agam lad.
Yeah, or what do I have to pay you or something? Okay. Iak is to pay. Kata lahiok agam lad. Shach jeg Rivard.
Back a dirt and doctor.
Nothing, doctor.
Okay. hOcht jeg Kachling.
Slanagut shin column
Heen column.
Heen column along a mock. Higon doctor.
Okay. Heen means sheen.
I guess he held his hand out to the doctor.
Yeah. He stretched his hand. Yeah. To stretch out. Okay. Nijag, Rivard.
Stan Sheshin Godroch Vasul Tagus Hashe Remle column.
Okay. So Stan Sheshin Godroch Vasul
He stares.
Droch vasul. Recognize a piece of that word? Droch is bad. Actually, the part that's critical in there is the mass part of it. So droch vasul is
Oh, bad respect.
with bad respect, disdainfully. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Agus chashe agrim nekolam. Kos means koser clay, koser yesh. Turn. Chashe agrim.
Away?
We had the expression earlier. Yeah, actually, but
He turned his back.
yeah, he turned his back. Agrim lekolam, so he turned his back
That's
to
one of the
kolam.
bingo words.
Oh, dream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks familiar now.
Yeah.
Okay, ficha Kathleen.
Slán la, oh, which one?
Yeah, Shine.
Better. Slán la, hosí sé ag scríb sa leabhar a ríis.
Okay, so Chosishe Excreave.
Began to write.
He began to write in the book.
Again.
Yeah. Ficha Chain, Robert.
As colm gabun na glúas agus hit a lág síos lena taobh.
So Los Colum Gobun Gluas. What words do we know from there? There's a bingo word on there, huh? Column. Okay. Los
Lewis.
Cluas, yeah, Cluas. We had Cluas on the bingo thing, I think.
And his heel,
Ears.
and his ears.
So Gobun Gluas is to the basically the base, the end of the ears, I guess. I think you say tips of ears in English, but Los is lit or lit up, so he burned.
His ears were burning.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What's the expression in English? Actually, do when you're.
You see red.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
one. There's an ear expression in English
Yeah.
too. I don't know if it's the tips of your ears or the ends of your ears or the.
Well, if someone's
Are
talking
your
about
ears burning?
Ears are burning, but I think there's
Yeah.
also an expression. Maybe that's the one I'm thinking. There's one I think for being angry too. Okay, well, anyways, there is an Irish. So, okay, I guess hit a love. So hit a love.
He did something with his hand.
Hit.
She is.
Or the word titum. If you might have seen the word titum on
No,
to fall.
fall.
So hit a love. She is.
Down.
Lenahave is next to him. Lenahave to his side. Lenahave. So, okay. Fichado Kathleen.
Is Cosúil nach mór é the vast arm?
Okay, I don't know what kosui means.
It's obvious.
It's likely,
Well, it's likely.
like or likely in this case.
You don't have
Nach
to
more
appreciate
a devastorum.
Similar to.
Yeah. More.
Big.
Yeah,
Now,
mass.
big.
Mass is
Right under your
respect.
hand, yeah,
That's respect in this case. So it's kosui nach more devastorum.
It's likely you don't respect me much.
Yeah, it's likely that your respect for me is not great. You don't have great respect for me. Fichatri, Robert.
Dardaíon dochtúir a chean agus bhreataí sé idir an dá chuil air.
So Dardi and Dr. Achyan. Ard is tall, so Ardi as a verb means to.
Well, the doctor did something with his head.
Yeah, he lifted his head.
Head.
Oh,
Yeah, Ardi Dalav is lift your hand. Okay, Dardi She Achyan, he lifted his head. I guess Vratni She, there being the word for you. Vratni, yeah. The guy sitting in front of the television. Watch. Yeah, or looked at it or something. Vratni She.
When he
Idger.
looked with his eyes.
Between the two
Idger
eyes.
and da huiler. Okay,
and
between his two eyes. Between the two eyes at him. Okay. So he raised his head and he looked at him between his eyes. Fich Cather Catchling.
Ní mailim mo cuid ama a cur a mú ag play le dinner consúil latsa.
Okay, so Nimalium,
I don't like it.
Machij Amma. So what Am is?
Your attitude.
Time. Machij Amma.
Taking up my time.
Yeah, my time.
My time.
Achur Amu. What? To put astray, to waste. Okay, Achur Amu. Egg play. No, another play. The play is dealing with.
Yeah, what
You
people
play.
like you.
The
Yeah,
dini
like
kosulatsa with
Yeah.
people like you.
you, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Ficha Kuig Robert.
Ken pa Jericho.
Ken Fa.
Asco.
Okay, that's right. Ficachet, catch name.
Tá a lán duine amach in sin atá tin tusk go bhfuil aspa airgid. Gan tanas bí a lástín lofa agus rudí eile ar líasta le lua iad ag gaiúint orthú.
Okay, so ta a long dini amu and shin.
There's a lot of people out there
Okay, a long dini, a lot of people amu and shin. A tatin is
that
how
are
to
sick,
say Tishgawil. Do you know what that means?
that have,
Tishgawil means because there is. Tishgawil. Aspa aragage.
not much money.
Yeah, lack of money. Aspa aragage. Gontanus bia.
Food.
Scarcity of food.